Good afternoon, my people. As you saw, I had a big, humongous moustache, and I'll be showing you how to make that moustache. All you'll be needing is Play-Doh, a little bit goes a long way, sorry. And let's begin. You see, if we start off like this, pretend you're baking, and when you bake, you do this with the rolling pin. And you see, I keep doing it, I keep doing it, I keep doing it. Make sure to subscribe and watch my other videos. That it says up there at the top somewhere. 8 or 9 videos. Click on that button, and you can also subscribe that button, and you can give me any sort of comment down below. And see, I've almost made my long beard. You keep repeating the process like back and forth, back and forth. And if you do like this, first up to the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, then do middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then do the upper middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you keep doing this, your mustache will become longer. But mine hasn't, because I'm in a bit of a hurry. You see,